Question 18 reads, in the figure above, if the legs of the triangle ABC are parallel to the axes, which of the following could be the lengths of the sides of the triangle ABC? This is a triangles and coordinate geometry problem because it employs techniques from both of these chapters. In order to solve this problem, let's take a look at what clues are being given to us in the picture. We're given the coordinates of this point, 4, 10. And what these coordinates allow us to do is calculate the slope of this line which contains the hypotenuse of the triangle. Now, slope is calculated as change in y over change in x, or alternatively, if you prefer, rise over run. So the slope of this line can be calculated using any 2 points on the line. So we know the origin's there, and this point 4, 10. So the slope then is equal to the change in y, 10 units, over the change in x, 4 units, or 5/2. So how does this help us figure out the legs of the triangle? Well, there's another way to calculate the slope of this line, and that's using this change in x and this change in y. And the slope I calculate from this change in x and this change in y had better be exactly the same as the slope that I calculated using these 2 points. So we know that the change in x and the change in y have to match up with what we have here. That means that this could be 5 and this could be 2, or any multiple thereof, as long as you get the same answer for the ratio. Fortunately, if we look down at the answer choices, things start becoming clearer. We do have 2s and 5s as the answer choices for at least 2 options. So which one of these is the correct answer choice? It's the one that satisfies the relationship we already know about the lengths of the sides of a right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem. So which one of these has the correct 3 sides according to the Pythagorean theorem? Well, if my legs are 2 and 5, then that means the hypotenuse has got to match, according to the Pythagorean theorem, 4 plus 25 is equal to x squared, or x squared is equal to 29. So that means that the missing side has got to be the square root of 29. Oh, I got cut off a little bit. X squared is equal to 29. So that means that the missing side has got to be the square root of 29 because it fits the Pythagorean theorem. So the correct answer is A.